If you can humbly talk to your kids and just say, listen, life's been busy. There's been some challenges. I think I've missed a few things and I am so sorry, but I want to do my work and I believe that God is still able to do his work in you. With me, character did begin as a struggle. I think that when my boys were young, I remember those older, wiser homeschool moms would say, oh, just focus on character. And I'd be like, what does that even mean? Like, instead of something else? Like, I just remember this focus on character, and it was kind of a vague suggestion that frustrated me, to be honest. I thought, well, how do you do that?
How would you encourage families who maybe are just now thinking about this and they're like, I have high schoolers. And
Yes.
maybe they might feel like, man, I missed this opportunity. Like it's too late.
Yeah.
Like, how would you encourage people to just
Totally
start where they are?
Oh, yes. I hear from parents all the time. And the good news is God's mercies are new every morning. And that is whether your kids are toddlers or teenagers or even grown. And again, kind of circling back to what I said before, if you can humbly talk to your kids and just say, listen, life's been busy. There's been some challenges. I think I've missed a few things and I am so sorry, but I want to do my work and I believe that God is still able to do his work in you. Can I encourage you? Can we together work on some character, even if you're 18 years old, before you launch or as you're starting your new job? Maybe they live far away, but you can say, listen, can we maybe do a little devotional together? Can I send you scripture? Can we talk about this? Because I think that kids, again, are going to learn more from your mistakes and what you do about them than if you are trying to be perfect and act like you've got it all together. So just talk to them, own your stuff, give it to the Lord, pray, and God will meet you there.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.